Most people think securing your home requires a ton of wiring, expensive cameras, or monthly subscriptions. And let's face it, not everyone wants to drill holes in their walls, hire an installer, or figure out how to hide the wires that run across the ceiling. But what if I told you the next time you screwed in a light bulb, you could be installing a full security camera, complete with 1080p HD video, night vision, motion tracking, and two-way audio? Meet Sightbulb, a revolutionary home security device that looks like a bulb but acts like a high-end surveillance system. It takes 10 seconds to install, costs under $40, and requires no batteries, no contracts, and no headaches. If you've got a light socket, you've got a security camera. What is Sightbulb? Sightbulb is a light bulb-shaped smart security camera that installs just like a regular bulb. No tools, no drills, no installers. Just screw it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and start monitoring your home in real time right from your phone. It's equipped with 1080p HD video, infrared night vision, 360 volt motion tracking, two-way audio, motion alerts to your phone,
Secure SD recording.
simple mobile app controls. Sightbulb is designed for homeowners, renters, parents, pet owners, and anyone who wants peace of mind without the price tag or complexity of traditional systems. Whether you're protecting your front porch, monitoring your living room, or keeping an eye on your pets while at work, Sightbulb gives you full control from anywhere in the world. How does Sightbulb work? Sightbulb works in 3 simple steps. Screw it into any standard light socket, indoor or outdoor. Download the app and connect to Wi-Fi. Start monitoring your home instantly. From there, Sightbulb does the rest. It begins tracking movement with its built-in auto-rotation system and sends real-time alerts to your phone if someone or something enters its view. Thanks to 360 auto motion tracking, the camera physically follows movement across the room or area, giving you a full panoramic view at all times. At night, it switches to infrared night vision so you can still see everything in the dark, perfect for outdoor setups or monitoring babies or elderly family members at night. And if you need to speak to someone, the two-way talk system lets you hear and respond through your phone in real time. Accept deliveries, calm pets, or just say hello. It's like having a security guard living in your ceiling. The features and benefits of Sightbulb. Let's break down exactly what you're getting with Sightbulb.
One installs in seconds.
No drills, wires, or professionals needed, just screw it in like a light bulb and go. 210p, full HD video, crystal clear visuals, day or night, see faces, license plates, or small details. Anger, 360 motion tracking, automatically rotates to follow any motion, full coverage without blind spots. 4, infrared night vision. See clearly in total darkness, indoor or outdoor, Sightbulb has your back 24/7. 5, two-way audio. Talk and listen in real time, great for pets, packages, or even warning intruders. 6, motion alerts. Get notified on your phone the moment someone enters your camera's field. 7, secure local recording. Record footage to an SD card, no cloud fees, no internet required for playback. 8, no monthly fees. Pay once and own it for life. Unlike big brand systems, there are no subscriptions. 9, weather resistant, works in cold temperatures down to 10 to 10. Use it on porches, garages, backyards. 10, monitor from anywhere. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or upstairs in bed, you can check your home in seconds. How to use Sightbulb. If you can screw in a light bulb, you can install Sightbulb. Install, screw it into any light socket, indoors or outdoors. Download app, install the companion app on your smartphone. Connect to Wi-Fi, follow simple prompts to sync your device. Position and monitor, use the app to rotate the camera, adjust settings, and watch live footage. Once it's set up, it runs 24/7. You don't need to touch it again unless you want to change the angle, download footage, or change settings in the app. Use it hallways, living rooms, porches, nurseries, garage ceilings, front doors, offices, doors, storefronts. Anywhere there's a light socket, you now have a security system. Sightbulb pros and cons. Pros: incredibly easy to install, full HD video quality, tracks motion and rotates automatically, works in the dark with night vision, two-way audio is loud and clear, works without battery, no monthly charges or hidden fees, works indoors and outdoors, discreet design, blends into any setting, app is simple to use, ideal for homes, apartments, offices, and elderly care. Their cons: requires a light socket for installation, needs Wi-Fi for remote monitoring, SD card for local recording is not included, not compatible with recessed or decorative fixtures without space, Still, for under $40, it's hard to find a more complete and easy to use security solution. Price and where to buy SiteBulb. You can purchase SiteBulb exclusively through the official website, and right now it's on sale. Pricing options. One SiteBulb $39.95, retail $54.95, save 50. 3 SiteBulbs, 109 nines, 90 eyes, buy 2, get 1 free. 5 SiteBulbs, $64.85, buy 3, get 2 free. 8 SiteBulbs, $219.90, buy 4, get 4 free, best value, all bundles included. SiteBulb units, free US shipping on select offers, 30-day money-back guarantee, access to the app, support from a Florida-based customer service team. Orders are shipped within 24-48 hours, and delivery typically takes 3 to 5 business days. What real customers are saying. Conclusion. In a world where home security usually means contracts, installation fees, and complicated tech, SiteBulb is a breath of fresh air. It's simple, affordable, reliable, and powerful. You don't need to spend hundreds on professional systems or rely on outdated wired cameras. SiteBulb gives you everything you need to protect your home, family, and peace of mind without lifting more than a screwdriver. If you've got a socket, you've got security. Order yours today and see why over 250,000 people have made SiteBulb their #1 home security choice.